Kia ora e tiwi nau mai haere mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga mataora nā te reo irirangi o Tūranga Nui a Kiwa me te Gisborne Netball Centre. Ai koia tēnei, ko te Whiringa toa, the Premier Netball Championship Grand Final coming to you live from the YMCA here in Tūranga Nui a Kiwa. It's an absolute privilege to have your company this afternoon. Thank you for joining us. The atmosphere here is electric and we have got a blockbuster showdown ahead of us. On one side, the mighty powerhouse YMP, Tūranga FM YMP, and on the other, the fierce challengers, high school old girls. Both of these teams, no strangers to netball finals. This is the clash of the titans, the battle we've all been waiting for, and you can certainly feel the energy in the air. And to take us through the action this afternoon, bringing you every goal, every intercept, every moment, our expert voices, the legendary Cheryl Beale, and alongside her for this epic final, guest commentator Miriata Callaghan. Let's cross to them now. Kia kōrua. Kia ora, Cheryl.
Kia ora, Mātai. Wow, this is going to be exciting.
It's going to be one hell of a final, Cheryl.
And I laugh when they say, yeah, we're out here picking the winners, whatever. It's going to be a great time. And these two teams really deserve to be there.
Yeah, they absolutely do. You've got high school old girls there with lots and lots of experienced players in there. And then you've got YMP with the YMP babies that are coming through. So it's awesome to see our younger players coming through to the Premier grade.
And when you say the babies, they are quite young, but they have really stepped up this year. I think it's having them with experience in each third that these young ones are there as well. So
yeah, absolutely, Cheryl.
Yeah. And both of these teams, they finished on the same points at the end of the round robin on 40 points each. And so then that was decided on goal differential, with YMP taking it out, and they were number one and high school ogres number two. But hey, put that aside because this is the final.
Yeah, it's anyone's game today. It's whoever goes out and plays the hardest.
So they're just calling the teams out now, so we'll just keep an eye on them. So they've just announced high school old girls and now they're doing YMP. Wow, they're really setting themselves up, aren't they? There's people cheering and clapping. And
Yeah, it's a good vibe in here.
So the two teams are just going onto the court. You can hear their supporters.
We've got two experienced umpires out here today, Pania and Shannon. You're going to have a tough job there, Cheryl.
I think, yeah, definitely tougher than the job, yeah.
Oh, and our ball carrier is our little Amora, which is Atamangu's eldest baby.
And they're off. Both teams like to play hard, fast passes.
Yep.
So you can see, and they do move to meet the ball, which is important.
Yeah, and high school started pretty strong with a strong defence there. Yep.
And this is the matchup I've been looking forward to. Paku, who likes to hold for shooting.
Yep.
And she's got Alex Sinclair, who's got great elevation against her, so be interesting.
Yeah, going to be lots of pressure out there on the court today.
See, there's Utter again. Oh, sorry, that was Ashley then.
Nice little tip there from Kiasi.
So we've been both ends at the moment.
Yep.
Without a goal scored. So Lauren. And well done,
nice
Marcia.
little collect from Marcia there.
So there's our first goal. Marcia's been playing well this year. She's been moving the circle really well.
Yeah, absolutely. She's real consistent and just stays real calm when she plays.
So that's put High School Old Girls 2 up.
Oh no.
And Kelly Wood, who just had the ball there at wing D, she never stopped. She's one of those players that just keeps going and gets her hand to as many balls as she can.
Yeah.
Disrupts play.
Yeah.
I expect
I
the
thought
same
she
today.
had a good semi the other night.
She did.
Yeah. Marcia's on a roll.
She's on a roll. She has been shooting well this year, though. So that's 3-0. Oh.
Ooh, bugger.
That was Sydney. She has been passing, delivering some great ball into Paku. That one just went a bit too far.
High School is doing some massive D out there in the mid though.
Oh.
Bit of a step there.
Was stepping. So wasn't so much Alex that time with Hakuina got that intercept that they were trying to get into Paku. So and Ashley, she had a good game the other night as well, hunting for the ball, a goal D for YMP.
Yeah.
So
I think she stepped up, It's very tight on both ends.
Everybody's contesting the ball.
Yeah. But that's what you expect in a final way.
Exactly. Nobody's going to give in.
Nah.
Oh,
nice little tip there from
Kiasi. It was a bit hard to go through two players. Oh, another high lob going astray.
Just a little bit forcing the play,
They're used to that high ball, but I just knew it would be hard today with both Alex and Haki. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful
Open
feed.
4-0.
That's little Tash. He come from Girls High, I think 2 years now, 2 years ago.
There's it.
There we go. Always those shots, right under the goalpost.
So Sydney does have a good high lob into Paku, and that one reached her hands.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful intercept there by Ash.
Ash has been doing some great stuff.
There it is again.
Oops. The high ball caused a contact, so Paku will be pleased to take that. So now the score is 4-2.
4-2 to High School.
Each side supporters get very excited when something happens.
Oh, nice.
And that's what Paku can do. She likes a high lob, but she can also do a quick movement in and out as well, which is what she just did then. So well done. And now it's back to 4-3.
I thought Te Ata did just, a good little draw out there, which dragged those defence out there,
Exactly.
made it more open for Paku.
Those young ones have been working in well with her this year.
And man, can they shoot.
Yes, exactly. Well, they're young and they're fearless, really.
Yeah.
Oh. I think YMP are not forcing it as much now that they've got to this stage. It's
Kind of settled down a bit,
Yes,
eh?
yes.
Sometimes you need that in a final,
you
Cheryl.
do. Tight defence, close marking.
Yep.
That's what you'd expect. Everybody having to do their own work.
Oh, no one's going to let them win easy, right?
Oh, Marcia again.
Yeah, she just positions herself really well.
She
That
does.
she gets good rebounds, eh?
They're having she was thinking of what she's going to do with the pass before she got it. Look at that. Those two shooters are working in well. And collecting the goals.
Yeah, like I said earlier, Lauren plays just like her mum Jo used to, eh?
Kiasi got a good intercept just then to stop it going into the shooter.
There we go. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah,
there
good
it
pass.
goes. Nice finish. Four-six.
Oh,
How many minutes? Oh, halfway through.
halfway through.
There it goes again, Cheryl.
There's that lob.
Oi!
Oh, and she got her own rebound. Oh, no.
Yep, that's when you got to work hard and
the
get it back,
yes.
though, eh?
I don't know what happened there. The ball went astray.
Yeah. Not too sure what happened there.
Everybody was pointing, but I didn't see what they were pointing for. Oh, well
Kiasi's
done,
getting some
Kiasi.
beautiful tips in
Yes.
there.
Because this year, at this final, they haven't got Bronya, the stalwart
Yeah.
Bronya. She injured herself a couple of weeks ago.
Yes, my poor
So-
mate joined the knee club with me.
So there's Alex just got another intercept. That's her elevation. Yes, so YMP haven't got Bronya in their defence, but I think Ash and Kiasi are working very well together.
Yep, they are. The combination seems to be working for them at the moment.
She's very good at rebounding. Oh,
Yeah, that was a beautiful rebound.
yeah. Everybody's having to work really harder. There's no easy path.
Nah, lots and lots of short passes, eh?
And there's Sydney trying to get that lob in again. but
Oh,
the
sometimes
defenders
you
are
just got to
watching.
take the risk, eh?
Nah. Oh, good rebound, Alex. She's got great elevation.
Oh, I don't think I've seen anybody jump like Ali can.
No.
Oh, I do like that. I like that they're allowing the contesting
I was just going to say,
Yeah, I
a
do
good
like
contesting
that.
of the ball then. That's what we want.
Oh, there goes Woody.
There's our Kelly Wood. She's that person who's always got a hand to a ball if she can. Oh, well done, Kiasi.
Yep.
On Wednesday, Cassie was getting those in really well into
Yeah.
Marcia. Kiasi's really watching that one.
Yep.
Oh, there's Alex again.
Geez, a lot of backwards and forwards.
Everybody will be sick of us saying the same names. But that's the sort of game it is. Obstruction. And
Yep.
Marcia.
Good finish from Mars there.
What are we up to? 7-4 to High School
7-4.
Old Boys. Oh.
Oh, and we got our first tactical play,
Yeah,
and
tactical
looks like
change.
Honey's coming on for Teata. Honey has been playing absolutely beautiful.
And she's
this
young
year.
as well,
Yes,
isn't she?
I think she's the same age as my daughter, so maybe 15. Yeah.
And they do really well because Paku holds, but then they'll split the circle so the defenders will follow,
Yes.
especially Honey. And then, she has been playing very well. But when they have to, or when she has to, she gets the goal.
Oh, look, Ali was going for the hunt there.
Yes.
Put it in, Honey. Yeah.
She'll be,
Always good to see our young ones doing that,
and
eh?
she'll be happy to get her first goal in.
Yeah.
See how she moves around that circle really well, Honey. Very well.
I think I missed that one.
Yeah, I
I'm not
missed
too
what
sure.
happened there.
Hey!
She's got her second goal and the crowd here is happy.
They're going crazy.
One goal in it. Good use of triangles.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. High school have always been good with their triangles. Got to finish the shot though, eh?
Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, that's counting
Woody.
one again. I knew she'd be a danger to them all. Oh, no. Both shooting ends have had a little couple of hiccups, so that's what it is.
Yeah.
That's what we
And
talk-
you just got to learn, to find the space to just be calm while you play in these kind of games.
And I guess it's quite hard to be calm though, because the supporters are jumping up and down and it's stressful.
Yeah.
I can feel it here and I'm only doing this bit. There's Woody again, my goodness.
Yeah. I think they might be struggling a little bit with the contesting that they're allowing, so they're thinking that it's going to be called,
And
but
yes.
it's not. So, look at that.
Marcia goes along that back line so well.
Yeah.
Turns and then shoots. 8-6.
8-6
Just
with
under-
a minute 50
yeah.
to go.
Oh. Sydney did look down there for that.
The little wind up.
Yeah. Shall I try it? There's a contact. Went too fast. Well done. Pass in and out and get herself closer. Not that time,
No,
Mariana.
not that time.
Look at that speed.
Yeah, I think Tash, on Wednesday, Tash just played so
Yeah.
amazing.
Ex-Girls High player, come back to
yeah.
the district. Her and Cassie worked very well together, and they would have played together in Girls High as well. And look at that.
Yeah, I
The
think
right
they're both
pass.
the same age, so they probably played at least
Yeah.
4 years together at Girls High.
Wow.
Not long to go.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
And that was a Cassie fast put on
Yeah. and just a bit of a slide on the
and
floor.
they haven't
eh?
counted the goal. Maybe she stepped.
Yeah, she stepped just in there. Oh, more of a
looked.
slide, but
Yeah. This time. What I like about both teams, there's always somebody available. They're always making sure that
yeah,
if they need a back pass, they're there. You know, that's
yeah, definitely
both
backing
teams,
each other
yeah.
up. So it looks like we're going to finish at 6-10 to High School Old Girls. Still anyone's game though, Cheryl.
Still anyone's game. Don't count your chickens yet.
Oh, keep talking.
Well, it's exactly started how I thought it would start. Hard, fast, contesting ball.
Yep.
I didn't expect those shots to be missed, but that's
That just comes with the
pressure.
finals too, and the pressure that gets applied. Everybody goes out there 110%, and that's exactly what you kind of expect. There's going to be some errors. It's just about how you clean that up and just continue to play settled throughout the whole hour.
Exactly. And it's who settles well. Don't get caught up in the hype, really, isn't it? Just play your own game, you know?
Yeah, and like you said before, the crowd does get pretty loud. But you've got to learn to block it out, and if you've been to a few finals, you should be able to do that and be able to just hear your coach on the sideline.
And I mean, YMP have been in the last 3 finals and had bad luck in 2 of them, so they won't want bad luck this time. They'll be winning.
I definitely know that they do not want to be a bridesmaid again.
They won in 2022, and then high school girls, they haven't had quite as many finals, but they won in 2021. So they both know that this is important, and they both want the Jan Duncan Memorial.
Yes. And I think our umpires are actually doing a great job.
Yeah, because you and I talked at the beginning about maybe letting it flow, which is what they're doing, and making it contested.
They're definitely allowing that contesting to happen, so it's just for the teams to adapt their play, and then, you know, you can't change an umpire's call.
But no, it's very good.
I think YMP did a good change by bringing Honey on. It just changed things in the circle there.
I think that's right, because sometimes you get your defences, they know what they're having to do. As a new one comes in who plays differently, they've got to mix it up a bit more, don't they? They've got to do some changes. So that was a good change. Because sometimes I'm one of these ones who, do they have to have rolling change again? I want to keep going, but I can see that worked really well then. So here we are going out 10-6.
Yep, second quarter, here we go.
I wonder if there's any changes. They've still got Honey on.
Yep, so Honey's still out at goal A. You've got Paku still at goal shoot. Sid wing A, Ata at centre, Ritz at wing D, Ash at goal D, and Cassie there at goal keep.
I haven't mentioned Ritz, but she's a steady little player too.
Yeah,
she keeps on going on.
Yeah, she's been having a good season.
I mean, to be fair, I think both teams' players have been having a good season.
Yeah, considering it's been short, it's been some good netball.
And so high school girls haven't made any changes, so not that I can see. No.
Yeah. Those feeds are always hard to try and stop there, but, you know, Haki just kind of needs to get in front of pucks to keep forcing it over.
Oh, look. Oh, hard luck, Ash. Oh, she read it and knew it was going to happen. Utta's really fast, isn't she? She drives her that circle.
She's a quick, dynamic player.
Now, Alex didn't take that rebound with 2 hands, but she actually saw Natasha was there, so she just batted it to her, which was quite sensible. Oh, that was a close. Well done, Paku. Oh.
Yeah, and I think you're going to see that from Ellie probably the whole game.
Yeah.
She'll be out for the hunt.
Oh, Cassie looked down there for that high ball. Changed her mind. So well done, Lauren. On Wednesday, Lauren was getting those balls in, those goals in.
She shot really well, didn't she?
So it's definitely pressure here with this situation. Kelly Wood again got her hand to the ball. That's what I say. She's really disrupting.
Yeah, you need players like that on these kind of games. And I think as a wingdoo myself, wingdoos are always a bit underrated, but, you know, it's a position where you have to be a pest.
Yeah, you're right. And sometimes they get the warnings, don't they? But it's because
all
that's
the
what
time,
you have to do. Yeah, you have to be on it all the time.
There you go. Goal scored by Paku Jane. 9-11.
And it's YMP pass. Sydney again. Oh, Alex called for contact that time. I think it was in Paku's hands then. Look at the tussle in there. One in it,
Cheryl.
High school old girls pass.
Still a low scoring game.
Yeah,
though.
it is. Cassie, Marcia.
Oh, we're having to reset there.
Yeah. But that's also good, gives everyone a chance.
Oh.
Well done, Ash.
Oh, that was an unlucky call.
Ash has been really out hunting those balls in the last few games I've seen her. Really timing well, standing back.
Yeah, you can see everyone's come out a bit hard on the second quarter,
They have.
Yep.
Oh, there's Kelly touching again.
Oh, beautiful lean there by Haki.
Oh, very good lean.
Beautiful lean.
Very good lean. Ash again. Gee, I think we just have to highlight everyone.
Yeah.
Well done.
A little bit calmer just in that last piece there to feed it in.
Both teams have actually got good links, though. They all know what each other's doing. They've got a good understanding. Everybody doing their own job. It is so good to watch. Well done, Paku.
Yeah.
She
definitely
worked that well.
It's knowing your players, when you're getting to games like this. Oh.
Ash again, she's really hunting, isn't
she's
she?
out today. It's good to see. Oh,
well done, Marcia. Really good intercept.
You got to chase any loose ball that goes, Well, we've seen some amazing intercepts from either side, whether it's defence or attack.
Oh, well done, Kiasi. Well done. Again. Gee.
Yeah.
I feel as though I'm doing the intercepts.
I was just lifting my leg there, Cheryl.
Look at that.
Look at that. Nice little pass there.
Oh,
good collect there by Lauren.
Oh, she was determined. Nice try, Ash, but Lauren was determined. She really realised that it wasn't going in.
Yeah. What are we at? 10-13. I think there was contact on Woody.
Kelly Wood again, but you expect that because she's always on the ball. It's like you said, a wing D, always on it.
Yeah, need to be hassling, making it harder for the attacks to feed in.
Look at them all trying to position themselves. Alex.
And that's what Ali is known for.
Mind you, Kiasi's been doing it at the other end as well, but it's how it should be.
Definitely, and it's just for the team, I think, both teams probably as well, to change their style of play. You know, if the overball's not working, you need to change it up.
And I love it when there's an intercept and they all cheer. You can actually see the team step up a bit more, don't you? Oh, boy. It is just so good. Just good.
We've got
to change.
Change from Sydney to centre and Atamangu to wing A.
And sometimes that's what you said. They just need a change for a different deliverance. So Ata is really fast. Sydney's more deliberate.
Yes.
Oh no! And that's because Kelly Wood's on the side of her, making her think I'm coming.
Yeah, you can't underestimate Kelly.
Oh, hard luck Ata. She was trying to do the same that Kelly had been doing. So yeah. Gosh, Marcy has been moving that circle well.
Yeah. Marth likes that base and she's really good at driving it.
She doesn't just rely on the lob. She can use them, but she also likes to drive along that baseline. But look at how they're working together here.
Oh, look at that from Lauren.
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes.
That's what she's been doing. It's just got her eye in now, maybe.
Oh, sometimes it takes a little while to settle away.
Paku's just helping the umpire.
Bit of a friendly pat front there from Haki.
Yeah. We've got a change. Another young one.
Missy. So Missy's coming on
for wing D.
here.
Yeah. Oh, hard luck. I think she must have rolled it, maybe.
Oh, I'm not too sure.
Two hands on it and turned over quickly.
Oh, there she goes.
That's Ata again.
Yep.
It's good. They usually like to go hard and fast, but there they were just being, high school girls were just a bit more steadier and bringing it down.
Yeah, I feel like they've just changed their play a little bit in their attacking.
And Marcy is eyes in.
Yeah.
So now it's 18-12.
Oh, she's hardly ever off, Cheryl. Like, she's a pretty good shooter.
So there's that lob. So Ata tried the lob into Paku, but it just went too far.
Yeah.
But hey, it's like you said, they've got to try it.
Yeah.
And there's high school girls being speedy again now, so it's good being able to mix it up. Oh, look at that pass. Cassie's done some great passing.
Yeah, on Wednesday she had an exceptional job at game. And I just felt like she got so much ball.
Yeah. What I like about Cassie is she's also aware of what everyone else is doing as well, you know, so she's grown, she's matured very well. So, high school officers trying to do a zone defence.
Yeah, which both of these teams actually play
are good at it.
Yeah.
And that just slows it down, but it's...
Yeah, but then you also take the risk of it being, you know, touched in the centre third and then just thrown down the other end.
Oh, Alex, well done, Alex. Lovely intercept. And the speed.
Oh, Missy almost there with the intercept.
Bringing it through the court. Oh, she must have gone too far.
Yeah, just need a little bit tidy it up a bit, eh?
Here's that lob. And again, over the back.
Yeah, that one was pretty high there, my friend Atamangu.
Look at that hard pass. Jeepers.
Yeah, it makes a big difference when you're able to bring it through court nicely.
Yeah. And notice that time Marcia didn't stay back in the goal circle. She actually came out and got that pass. So they're mixing it up so their defenders haven't got, you know, tight control.
Yeah.
Oh, they're really putting it in.
21-13.
Their confidence, yes. Oh, Kelly would, but there was a contact that time.
But she'll go like that for the 60 minutes.
The whole 60, she will.
Yeah.
Oh, good pass, honey.
Yeah, there you go.
Just be steady, don't take risks.
Yep, 3 minutes to go in this quarter already, Cheryl.
Yes, Cassie out to get the ball. Oh, look at that. So Lauren did well then to split it. Drag her out.
And you just saw about 3 different plays, in those last goals. Oh, but was it a break?
Yes.
Oh, good girl,
Good
Missy.
try. Ooh. It wasn't... I'm just a bit untidy there. I think everybody wants the ball and it's on top of each other. Well done, Piazzi. That was very good.
Read that well,
yeah. They needed to go back to their triangles, really, high school girls then. She's looking for the job, Sydney. And Alex is out hunting.
Yeah. And Ali will go for anything on the side, eh?
Neither side's making it easy, is it? They're just making them work non-stop.
Oh, that was unlucky.
That's how it is. She's going for the ball though, so it's good. 22-15 to high school old girls.
What have we got? A minute and a half to go. Oh, Kiasi,
well
that
done,
was
Kiasi.
beautiful.
Yes.
Lots of movement happening from the attack.
A lot of pre-movement before the ball comes, so that so they can move onto the ball at speed. Really, look at those 2 defenders watching.
Yeah, they've got
it's
a
what
good
we
little
want.
Set up there. You know, they're trying to split the shooters.
Yeah. Oops. Something happened
Maybe
then.
Not too sure.
That nice hard pass.
Yeah. They just
And
need to shut that down there on the...
Oh, well done, Natasha.
Oh, good try, Missy.
Good try.
Yeah, that was a good try.
Well done, Piazzi. Piazzi hasn't stopped the whole game, so...
And she's actually going for a lot of ball.
Yeah, she is.
And getting some really good intercepts.
Because there's that high lob. Aquino contact then.
Yeah, she definitely did. I think that sometimes the frustration when you're playing is like, it doesn't feel like it. But it's, you've got to allow that space for them to land.
Kiasi and Ash are actually stopping that ball really well.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was a great quarter.
Great quarter, 23-16 to high school old girls. I think in that one we saw Lauren getting better at his goals going in.
Yeah, definitely more confidence going there, Cheryl.
And Marcia and Lauren splitting, not doing the same thing all the time.
Yeah.
So that was a change for them.
Yeah, I think high school just changed it up a little bit in the attack end. And it seems to be flowing a little bit better through court.
And if I was
saying that though, it's still second quarter.
Oh, exactly.
This is when everybody comes back.
Yes. And I'm not sure if I'd make any changes. It's to high school old girls. I think if it's going well, keep it going. But I'm not a coach.
It's anybody's game still.
And I'm not sure what the YMP will do. That's the young ones that they've sort of like. The occasion for them is probably. Different for them, and so they're probably just keeping an eye on where the experienced ones have been here before. So using those young ones wisely.
Definitely, and it's probably just playing it a little bit more settled into the attack and not trying to force the ball into Paka Jane. If it's there, definitely do it, but you just probably have to ease it in a little bit.
And I think it's that settle, like you said. I think that's what high school old girls are doing better when they don't just keep going hard, fast passes, which they love doing. Yeah. They're actually doing some stop and quiet, pass it around.
It's a very fast game, though. From
even
both sides, very fast game.
And even when I say they're holding it, and it's not, it's just that they are actually controlling it instead of going that hard, fast passing through the court.
Definitely. Defence on both ends, I must say, though, just... playing so well.
When I previewed this game, I just knew that the shooters would have trouble. Both lots of defenders are really strong.
And
we've seen Ash and Kiasi going out there, and we've seen Alex and Aquina doing the same for high school old girls, aren't they? And then in the midcourt, they're all zoning themselves out as well with,
Yeah, and like we said, I think Woody's just... she's just hassling every ball that comes her way. Which is what you want a wing D to do, make it hard for the wing A to feed it in.
And also, like, Cassie's doing well, but then I guess I'm thinking the YMP ones are doing as well. They had that swap with Utter and Sydney. I think it just mixed them up a little bit. If it was me, I'd put Utter back in at centre.
Yeah, so would I.
Yeah.
But hey, I like Utter. I definitely like Utter at a centre.
Oh, she drives.
She just takes the ball so well.
Yeah. But, I mean, I think that's what Natasha's been doing for high school girls. She's been driving through, teaming up with Cassie, getting that ball to each other and then getting into their shooters. They've got a really good timing with their shooters. She's
been real consistent over the last few games that I've been down to watch, Old Tash. So, and it's actually nice to see them, playing with the adults in comparison to when they just played at Girls High.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's really cool to see them develop as players.
I think what happens when the young ones get in with adults, they only have to do their own job. When they're playing for their school team, they're probably trying to do, better just move here and do 2 people's jobs or 3 people's jobs. So
and you just run because you're so fit.
And I'm always talking about those invisible links. I just love seeing them put them together. So I think both teams are using their, understanding of each other very well. And at the moment, we've just got high school old girls in the lead.
Yep. Still 30 minutes to go.
And there's still supporters still here from both sides cheering on.
Yeah, it's a bit of a packed house.
There is indeed. Ki pai te whare miriata. We hope you're enjoying our live coverage of the Gisborne Netball Premier Final between Tūranga FM YMP and High School Old Girls. The score is 23-16. Our high school old girls out in front. 2 more quarters to go, and just taking the opportunity to thank the Gisborne Netball Centre for supporting us in this broadcast. Hei te mahi ngātahi mātou ko Gisborne Netball Centre. So here we go at the whānau. Let's head back to our expert commentators, Miriata Callaghan and Cheryl Beale, for the third quarter.
Thanks, Marks. Don't know about expert commentator.
I giggle about that too. I think everybody's watching it and probably, I think hopefully they feel like us and feel like they're playing. I feel like I'm playing every pass.
Well, I didn't tell anyone other than Bub, who's in YMP, that I was commentating, because Mark's asked me this morning at the gym.
But it is a good game. So if you're not here, and we're really putting it out to you, it is such a good game.
Yeah, definitely.
Still anyone's game, really.
And there's just so much happening in Gisborne this weekend. You got the hockey finals today as well. The league's on, but people still show up for us when we play netball, so it's good to see. And
both of these teams always get a lot of supporters, don't they? It's really great. And anyone can see that the YMCA is decked out for that. There's flags, signs balloons. And balloons.
Yeah, good little save there by Honey.
So no changes to high school old girls, I don't think.
No, not that I can see. Both sides remain the same.
YMP have done a change. They've taken Utter off.
Only Ritty here to centre.
Sydney's gone back to wing attack.
No, Utter's in at wing attack and Sid's down in wing D area.
That's where I couldn't see past the cameraman. But so they've done a slight change. So they've kept their shooters who are working well and the defenders making them work.
Yeah. I always say the third quarter is the quarter. It's where you're either going to come out and play hard and change the score, or it just doesn't go your way.
So that was hard luck. She had the ball but overbalanced really. So yes, Utter's still at wing attack, yes. There's Ash again.
Definitely, that was a good intercept. Good read by Ash there.
Good timing, because she was actually hung back and looked as though she wasn't really interested, and the next minute she's in for the intercept. Oh, that's unusual for Paku. So yes,
great finish by Hanigo.
So there's Cassie and Natasha again working together. Work the ball into Marcia.
Oh, unlucky, missed it. Oh, that was a good little tip from Tash.
And that's what can help. That's why I'm saying those links as well. Somebody tips it and somebody else is back there to pick it up.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Lucky
Lauren has found her.
Maybe they need to bring Super Shot here, Cheryl. Yeah, just struggling it there a bit, just to get the ball in.
Kelly Wood's matching.
Ooh, I don't know. It's a bit of a rough ball.
Kelly Wood's matching utter, like that dogged, close marking. And see, they're bringing it down without going too fast, so I think that makes a difference, eh?
Bring a little bit more calm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when they go very fast, you can get a bit excited with it.
Definitely.
So yes, that was really good thinking on high school old girls.
26-18.
Oh.
Good little fake there by Cassie just there in that play.
They've got a good understanding, those two shooters. I think I've already said it a couple of times. So.
Yeah. Yeah, there goes that contesting again, eh?
Yes. Kiasi and Ash have been onto the ball all the time.
Yeah, look at Tash there, just hassling the play.
Wow, that's that working together, that zone, held ball. And then Marcia just doing that dodge. Yeah. It's funny, Midiata, when I was at the year 1 and 2s on Thursday night, they were practicing dodging, and so it's really neat to see the seniors doing a dodge. Not that theirs was like that.
It's the greatest movement to learn how to do.
It was so good.
Just that forcing it a bit there.
Yes. So that's what you and I are just saying. That was a big step. High school old girls are not forcing it as much maybe as what YMP and that's what's helping them pull ahead. Well done, Arta. That was another good dodge.
Yeah. Oh, good finish, honey. And you know that she's just feeding out, just waiting till she could get in a position that made her comfortable.
So you think a 15-year-old or 16-year-old being able to do that under pressure like this, that's great, isn't it?
Yeah, she's definitely found her eye.
And that's what she's been doing the last few weeks, so just the pressure at the start.
Well, see, that's, you want to be set up for those ones, when you've got your Goldie that's been called out for contact.
Yeah, there was a contact at a hand.
Just a little bit late, eh? That's unlucky. That's unlucky. Eh? Work hard, get it back.
Yeah. Good try, Arta.
Yeah.
But look.
Lucky I got a microphone in my hand.
Well done, Marcia. Oh, well done. Good touch, Sydney. Oh, no. Rush of blood.
Yeah. You kind of just want to keep the cool when you've got a lead like this too.
Yes, you do. So don't let it get in. Keep to your own game plan, really. And oh, it was nearly Kelly Wood. But well done, YMP. Good working it through. Well done, honey. Oh, good shot.
Lovely.
They needed that.
Yeah.
To settle them down again.
Oh, not wholly in the circle.
She just went a little bit too fast. You don't want to make those silly errors. Oh, she did crash back into... Oh, did she go offside? Lovely lean. Lovely lean.
Get up, Paku. There you go.
Well done. Good working together. Slowly picking it back because it was 9 before. Now we're 28-21.
Oh, and then a contact there from Honey. Offside? Yep.
Offside as she went for the ball.
Yeah, they're definitely starting to go for everything and anything, eh?
Especially when they're down the seam with their supporters urging them on.
High school love to swing that ball over, eh?
Yeah.
Have done for years.
Oh, wow. Look at that shot.
Look at that, Marcia.
We do need a 2-pointer.
Yeah. Would be going into super shot soon, sure.
Now that's better. They just moved. Oh, well.
Ooh,
I was quick because I was just thinking, they're controlling that very well.
Yeah, so did I.
That's why I don't like being an umpire either.
I'll be an umpire from the bleachers.
Yes, I have heard that you've been. Oh, but too hard.
Just a misjudged pass there, eh?
I think she was just struggling with who to pass to, and it was hit and miss. Ah, now that's very good. She made the error, and so she fixed it up.
We played ball there.
Gosh, everybody's contesting. Everybody's going for it. Oh, there's a lob. Oh, wow. Lovely lob, Sydney. It wouldn't do that time for a lob in.
That was a big pass. You see when she passed it, she jumped in the air.
Yeah. Well done. Ashley, that was unlucky.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
I thought she had to punt it.
So did I, yeah.
Good little intercept there by Ritia.
She's been doing some good work all year and showing it all here today.
Her mum's Nina. Yeah, that's Ritia's mum.
That hard past it. Steady it. High school Augers are doing well, but gee, YMP's defence is doing well, Miriata. They're really it's not just the it's not just the defenders in the circle, it's the other two, the centre and the wing D, working together.
Only 4 minutes left of this quarter to go, and we're 31-22.
Wow. Every player is doing what they have to do, aren't they? They're really contesting, pressuring.
Yeah.
And then, Kelly Wood, and then moving on attack. As you said, those pre-movements before, working off away from the ball.
Yeah, you've got to give and go in these kind of games. You can't. There's no ball where you can just stand.
No. And that was good defending by Hakuina. Stop Paku getting through for that
just
rebound.
Just boxing out the plays, eh?
Look at that hard pass through the third. Oh no. That wasn't what she was expecting.
Yeah, this is when you want to look in, eh?
Oh, hard luck,
lucky
was it?
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hard luck for high school old girls. And there's a sub, 2.5 minutes to go.
We've got a tactical change.
Another young
Missy
one on.
coming on there, goal for Honey. But Honey did
I
just
thought she
play
was playing very
amazing.
well.
Yeah.
But I think that's what YMP have been doing and using those young ones regularly, you know.
And they deserve it
Yeah,
too,
do.
you know. They're playing some good
Yeah.
netball.
Oh, another high pole.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. That was well done. Aquina managed to flick it back into one of the high school old girls.
Good balance there, eh?
And Sydney contesting that ball, so nobody's giving an easy pass. Oh, no.
Oh, that was unlucky. No, that was unlucky.
The idea
And it
was
is
right.
getting hot in here.
Yeah, it is getting hot
You
in
know.
here.
Yeah, just getting a bit stuck there, bringing it through court.
Yes. Especially in that middle there and just
Yeah.
to the top of the circle.
But that's just because the defence
Yes,
is, you know,
yes.
fairly tight.
Oh, well done, Alex. Oh, hard luck. Well done, Paku.
Paku.
Yes, and they're stopping them getting that hard drive through, which they like to do. So
Yeah. And Paku would be one of the hardest goal
Oh.
shooters to defend.
well, that was a lovely dodge by Marcia again. I've got
Just hitting
dodge in
that
my
base
mind.
like she does. Yeah, and that's what you want to do. You just
Yeah.
want to have quick plays.
Yeah.
And that's where it's good when you know your netball rules.
Good rebounding, Hakuina, and she managed to get the contact for her. Yeah. Look at that, how they bring it down very well. Wow.
Marcia.
Wow. High school old girl supporters are certainly very happy.
Yeah, they are. Oh, Marcia, she's just a calm player. And when she shoots, she'll give anything a go.
And I've noticed that if she misses, it doesn't get in her head. She'll try and get the next pass, maybe. Oh, nice. Oh!
Yeah. Definitely need to change change up what they're doing when they're feeding in. There you go, end of third, 24-34 to high school.
Wow, 10 goals. Who'd have thought, really? I mean, it's 10 goals, but it seems still closer.
Yeah. Yeah, both teams still battling it out.
Indeed they are. So there we have it at the end of the third quarter. High school old girls out in front by 10 goals, YMP trailing. Middies, what do you think YMP needs to do in order to come back in this fourth quarter? I mean, we've seen that happen before. They're not out of the game yet.
No, Mats, they're definitely not out of the game. I think just in the attacking end, it would be to change the style and what they're doing.
Yes.
Just so that we're not forcing balls into Paku Jane. And then because high school's clicked onto it, and so they're double marking pucks and making it real hard for the feeders to feed into her. So just a little bit of change of play, and definitely YMP has the potential to do it.
Yeah.
Just because it's 10 doesn't mean that they ain't going to come back.
Yeah. I'm certainly no netball expert, and that's why we've got you both here. High school old girls seem to be calm and collected. You know, they seem to be just kind of going through the motions.
I mean, yeah, I agree. They're really, it's like Muddy said, that they're changing it. They're using a variety so that these defenders, YMP's defenders, haven't got a chance to set up. They'll do it hard and fast. They do a slow, deliberate different people taking the pass, and I think that's what YMP need to do.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to force that ball, which has gone out over the top a couple of times. Well, probably more than a couple of times.
But both teams are definitely out there just playing their hearts out. There's a lot of loose ball, a lot of tips happening.
A lot of tips that, and it's everybody having to go to loose ball, really. So, it's a really good game. And even though he's 10 goals in it, don't hold your breath because you never know.
No, you never know. It's final.
I'm just glad I'm not on the court.
Yes, indeed. So both teams are having a bit of a break as we head into this final quarter. And taking the opportunity, e tika ana mokori anoa mihi kia rere atu ki tēnei kapa o Gisborne Netball Centre. So thank you to Alicia and the team. Nā rātou tētahi wāhanga o te pūtea taunaki I tuku mai. So thank you to the Gisborne Netball Centre for their contribution towards this live broadcast from YMCA here in Tūranga Nui a Kiwa. And I know we've got people not only here in Gisborne tuning in, but from indeed around the world. Feel free to drop us a comment and let us know where you're tuning in from as we head to this final quarter now. High School Old Girls ahead by 10 goals in front of Tūranga FM's YMP. Let's go back to Cheryl and Miriata for this final quarter.
Yes, final quarter, let's go.
It's going to be intense now.
Last 15.
I see Honey's come back on at wing attack for YMP.
Yep.
So that's...
Utta's gone back to centre. Sid's still there at wing D.
That's right, Sid and wing D.
And High School still have their same 7 from what I can see, Cheryl.
And I agree with that. I would, if you're winning, don't change anything.
Absolutely.
Mix it
The
up.
7 that's doing it, just keep it on.
I feel sorry for the people on the bench, but that's the way it is.
Yep.
Well done, her queen, and that was really good.
Yeah, she's having an exceptional game, actually.
Yeah, she managed to do it without touching anyone as well. Way arm. Well done, Ash.
And then, yep.
Ash is doing the same.
Yeah,
she looks as though she's not interested, but she is. Hard luck. Alex got too close then.
Yeah. And just having Ata back in that centre, she just brings the ball down so well.
She links both ends and drives really strongly.
Nice, good finish. So 9 in it.
9 in it. So see, High School Ogres are mixing it up by one. Well done, Ash. When I talk about intercepts, I think I can just about mention everybody.
For a step. Must be the 3rd step in this game.
Oh, wow, so she never stops, does she? She just keeps on going. Well, that was a good pass behind her. Well done, Ash. I don't know how many intercepts and rebounds she's got.
Yeah, and that's what they needed, that change,
Yeah,
just there in the centre.
Yeah.
Yeah, just need to finish. Offside. Yeah, there goes another step, Cheryl.
You spoke too soon.
I definitely know the floor does get slippery though. Like that little the forwards and backwards passes Missy just did there. Those are always hard to defend as well.
High School Ogres haven't scored in this quarter yet, so it's still 34.
Yeah. But just an error there. Yeah. Foot just went out there. But good work from Missy there. She put a little pressure on the defence. Yeah, that feed out, eh?
They split that circle beautifully.
That one caught in there. Caught into the goal.
Made their supporters happy. They've got a goal.
Yeah, Atta's out looking, eh?
Yeah. And I think just doing that puts some doubt as the passer's mind. So it's that
just need all
constant.
7 to be, to be up. Yeah, look at
So
that.
that's Ash again. Boy, she's having Unlucky. Nice pass. Gosh.
Oh, good collect there by Kelsey.
And really well, strong take, wasn't it? Strong rebound. There was Atta.
Yes.
Going gasping for the ball.
Yep. Your last 15 minutes, you're going to go out there and give it your all.
Contesting for the ball, that was the one we were talking about.
Yeah.
Paku and Atta. Paku and Alex.
A lot of feeding back. Yeah, just enough pressure there from Missy to make them lift the pass.
And really, I think high school old girls really just have to keep playing what they were doing before. They've just sort of gone into their shell a little bit.
Yeah.
And YMP have lifted it a bit. So,
which definitely comes with the pressure of the game,
has.
Both teams having to reset, though.
So that's shown how hard the defence is throughout the court.
Good finish there by Missy.
So the 10-goal difference is now down to 27-8, yeah. Oh, well done, Paku.
Yeah, that was nice and easy, eh? Nice and easy and good finish. Yeah, there goes Arts again. Oh.
Deliberate, I think she might have said.
Oh, look at that. Great pressure there from YMP.
So well done, YMP. They're really working.
Yep, they're working hard.
Into their heads. Making them happy. It's Kelly Wood again. Oh! See, they're standing back a little bit, Midi, instead of doing that pre-movement that they were doing.
Yeah,
and so that's why
I was just thinking that.
Yeah, they just...
And you've just got to keep moving.
Yeah. Go back to how they were playing. But well done, YMP. They've changed it around like you said they should do.
Oops. Got a bit of a change here.
High school old girls.
So we've got Saf coming on to wing D.
Sevron.
And then Woody going to Goldie.
Goldie. Just mixing it up a little bit maybe?
Yeah, maybe. But in saying that, Haki has played a good game.
She has played a good game.
Yeah.
And Kelly has played at Goldie before. I've seen her there.
Yeah, she played on Wednesday there as well.
And you know she's nuggety. She keeps going, so she knows Alex play.
Yeah, she's been playing for a while now too, eh? Like I said before, the experience that high school has in their team, that's many years of prem players.
Yeah.
Yep, and they're still busting. Flowing a bit better there, eh? Sid with her famous pass.
Yeah. She just stood and waited for it to come and got it in.
29-36, 7-0.
Oh,
just offside.
she went for the intercept, yeah.
Unlucky.
She can get those ones as well.
Yeah.
I've seen her get in and turn to the side.
Yeah, and you want to force those passes when you're doing them,
Yes,
swinging
yes.
them from one side.
Good lean, Piasi.
Yeah, there you go. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, but I love that they a call was made and
Yeah.
they carried on.
Yeah.
Love it.
hey, interesting here. Marcia and Alex and Kelly all played for Waikahu last year and were in the final for them last year.
Yes.
So it's good seeing them in
Yeah,
the final
the
again.
players have been here. Hey, they've been
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Good pass there.
That ball is getting into Paku a bit easier now. So
Yeah.
the change with Kelly going into their mind.
Yeah,
makes a
yep.
difference.
They just need to ramp it up if they want to keep contesting the score, eh?
I'm going to be tired after this game, Marietta. I can feel my leg going all the time.
Oh, I know what I'll be doing a bit later, Cheryl.
I know I intercept with them all. But that's good. That's what netball is, isn't it? We get passionate about it.
Oh, absolutely.
It's getting into her well.
Yeah, just
She's
it
mixing.
seems a little bit calmer.
Yes.
Yeah,
And that's sort of what you said, instead of forcing it.
yeah. Just they need to work hard to shut that down.
Yeah. And those two defenders are just stopping them lift the ball. So high school girls are just changing it around. Don't stand behind. Well done, Sydney, contesting that, but Casey was well organised.
Yeah, and there goes Mars with that base.
The
And the
base
finish.
and the goal.
Yeah, front.
Two shooters.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, lovely. Oh, unlucky.
Oh, yeah. She was there, wasn't she, for the
Yeah.
next pass? Well done, working that in. I like the way Alex has often done a rebound where she just batted it, knowing that she
Yeah.
can do it. She's knowing that there's
Well,
high school
and
girls-
definitely since they changed that
Yes,
rule around being
yes.
allowed to pat the ball before, you get pulled for
Exactly.
replay. Oh, bodies on the line
hard
today.
luck.
Love it.
Oh.
Rebound. Oh, I love that
well
contesting.
done.
Good collect
Well
utter.
contesting. Ash and Kiasi have had a good and hard game, really. And there's Utter bringing the ball down,
Yeah.
that hard pass.
I think that's going to be a little bit of a growling from our umpire, Shannon. Yep.
Yes, got to keep composed,
Yeah.
Marietta.
Oh,
Oh, what
there
was
you go.
that? I don't think she meant to do that,
No.
Marietta. Oh, no, help
Yeah.
ball. Good defence.
Good defence.
That zone defence in the
Yeah.
middle there.
And they're just pushing them out wide
Yep.
and nobody's
Yep.
kind of driving
Yep.
through that middle
Yep.
there. So it just makes it hard when you've got no one punching the middle.
They're probably getting tireder as well. I mean, at
Yep.
the beginning of the game, they were doing really well against that.
Yep,
you-
but it's your last game for the season, Cheryl. We
Let's
should
go
be out
hard.
there to die.
You're right, Marietta. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. Two minutes and 45 seconds to go.
And they've been, I've been saying, just going to say they've been doing that sort of structure for the last
Yeah, yep, the straights
just,
and the squares.
But it just happened, an error. Oh, good try. Too close. Good backing up, honey.
Still backing up. Nice. And Ali just out there just trying to hunt every ball stowaway.
And that's the risk you take. She was going out, she thought she'd get that ball.
Yep, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
So, oh,
back to 7.
40-33 and 2 minutes to go.
Low score.
Well, it's been really...
Yeah, it's been tight.
Yes,
hey, it's just reflecting the game. Oh, look at that.
Things
That's
like
a
that,
mangu.
yeah.
That's a mangu.
There's been players on both teams that have jumped for the ball. Yeah, another one. And there's Ata. Oh, well done.
Yep. Speed of the ball through court, eh? Can't beat it.
That's what Ata does very well. On the run, past the hard ball. Driving through, connecting with Paku.
Yeah, some risky passes there.
Hard luck. Just lost her balance a little.
Oh, this is where you want to try and get every tip, eh?
1 minute passing around is a bit...
This is where you need to be man on and then go for everything. Yes, there you go. Look at that.
She gave
that's what you want to do, eh?
Yeah. She gave the illusion that she wasn't looking for the ball, but she did. Oh, no.
Oh, a bit of a contact there, I think.
To the top of the circle and into Marcia. Well done, Cassie.
Yeah. Nice, easy.
Everybody's looking at the scoreboard. 22 seconds to go.
Yep.
No, that's not going to work.
That wasn't going to make.
No, Kiasi and Ash have stopped that one. There's Ata again.
Yep, Paku to finish.
She drives.
Nice, good finish there by Pucks. And the crowd is counting down, Cheryl. And it's a high school girls here.
Really was a good game, though, Mariana.
Yeah, it really was.
I think when you look back, everybody did their work.
Yeah, they played hard, consistent. Just always got to be one winner.
I know. I thought the same on Wednesday night's game as well. Why did there have to be a winner?
So there we have it, Tefana. I'm so excited I can't even say my words. Congratulations, hearty congratulations to High School Old Girls, grand final winners of the Premier Netball grade here in Tūranga Nui a Kiwa, winning by 6 goals over Tūranga FM's YMP, a gutsy fourth quarter from YMP, but not enough. High School Old Girls remain victorious. Just before we go, Cheryl and Miriata, any standout players? I mean, they were all great, but were there any... What about for you, Miriata?
Ash was out hunting the ball. Ash was doing very well. But, hey, honestly, they were all really good. They all did their own job. So, you know, we should be proud of them. They should be proud of themselves.
Yeah, I definitely think defence on both ends just played their hearts out. There were just so many tips, intercepts coming from both defenders. Woody had a marvellous game.
But then you have to say the shooters were doing some good work as well.
Yeah.
You know, honestly, everybody did. Yes, everybody did their job.
Well, you certainly did your job today, Cheryl and Miriata. Thank you very much. Cheryl, of course, you know, you've been with us for the last couple of years. We really appreciate your expertise. You follow the netball, as do you, Miriata. Miriata and I were training at Metcon Modi this morning, having a workout, and I leant over and said, hey, you want to do some commentary? And here she is, and you were fabulous, mihi. Ka nui te mihi atu ki a koe, Miri. O tira kia koutou e whakarongo maina, e mātakitaki maina i o koutou kāinga. High School Old Girls victorious in the end. Congratulations to them. It was a hard-fought battle right to the finish. YMP will, of course, be bitterly disappointed with the result, but they can hold their heads high. They played a hearty game nonetheless, and no doubt they'll take some lessons from today's game and come back even bigger and stronger next year. On behalf of Tūranga FM Media and the Gisborne Netball Centre, thank you for being with us. Hei te rātou e hoa ma.